Before you book those tickets, let me share the insider scoop on the 4 worst times to visit Branson, Missouri. Trust me, as a local, avoiding these periods can make your experience so much better. I'm Chris with Branson's Best Shows. Have you ever wondered why certain times of the year might not be the best times for visiting Branson? Well, today, I'm here to break it down for you. These times are considered the worst because many of the best attractions and shows take a break, or the weather's really not cooperating with what you want to do, making it hard to experience all the excitement Branson has to offer. But don't worry, even during these less ideal periods, there's still plenty of things to do, from exploring the beautiful Ozarks to visiting year-round indoor attractions. But to ensure you're planning your visit perfectly, I'll provide some insider tips on how to avoid these worst times to come when planning your Branson trip. First up, we have January and February. Now, don't get me wrong, Branson is still beautiful during these winter months, but it does get quite cold. More importantly, a lot of the shows and attractions take a break during these months. Many of the theaters shut down for the season, and some outdoor activities are closed because of the weather. So while you can still find things to do, your options are considerably diminished. As a local, I can tell you it's not the most lively time in town. Another worst time to visit Branson is Tuesdays and Wednesdays in the spring and fall. Why, you ask? Well, because Silver Dollar City, one of Branson's biggest attractions, is closed these days during the season. Imagine planning your trip around visiting this amazing theme park only to find out it's closed. That would be a major bummer. Silver Dollar City is a huge part of what makes Branson so special, with its rides, shows, and festivals. So missing out on this gem can really put a damper on your trip. Trust me, as someone who's been here for years, it's something you want to plan around. Something else you want to make sure not to miss out on is the amazing half-price tickets at the Americana Theater. You can come see Show of the Year, C.J. Newsom's classic country and comedy, awesome 80s, and America's Top Country Hits, along with all the regular shows at the Americana Theater for half price using the promo code BBS on our website, americanatheaterbranson.com, or calling the box office. Now on with our list. Let's talk about August. Branson can get unbearably hot during this month. I'm talking temperatures that can soar into the high 90s or even the triple digits. For some reason, the heat in August just feels different. If you're not a fan of sweltering heat, it can make being outside pretty miserable. Imagine trying to enjoy a leisurely stroll down the Branson Landing or hiking one of our beautiful trails in this kind of heat. Not fun, right? Plus, the crowds can be intense since it's the last hurrah before school starts, which can add to the discomfort. Also, you want to avoid the 2 weeks before Christmas. This might come as a bit of surprise because Christmas time in Branson is magical with all the lights and festive shows. However, these 2 weeks leading up to Christmas can be a bit tricky. Many shows and attractions shut down briefly to prepare for the big holiday rush, so you might find that some of the things you wanted to do or see temporarily closed. It's also pretty cold, and the weather can be a little less hospitable, making it less than enjoyable to be outside. So these are the worst times, but what are some other mistakes you don't want to make on your Branson trip? Check out these videos to make sure you avoid them as well. And make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and guides.